Oh yeah, it's go time. Let's do this. What's going on, guys? It's your boy Gata Maliga. Today I'm wearing a beanie, by the way, because my hair looks like complete crap. But today we actually got some special packages in the mail today, and I really want to share this with you guys because it's the next big modification for Clementine that I want to share with you guys. Now, some of you who are used to watching things on the channel will notice that I didn't put the sponsorship intro. That's because this particular video right here is sponsored by FKX Racing. I got their Instagram right above me right here, and I'm also gonna leave their link down in the description below. You guys check them out. They got tons of 10th gen and 9th gen Civic parts, so make sure you guys go check them out. So I really want to unbox this thing. I'm really anxious to see everything that's inside. So let's get to it. So I have the box covered because my address and Andy's information is all here, and I don't want you guys to see all that. But I think I'm going to start with the small one first and get to the big box later. This box is really heavy. So let's open this one up. Alright, so how do I start this? I'm just going to make sure everything's falling up here. Another freaking box, I mean another bag. It's like Christmas time. So, let's bring all these out. Show you guys what's in this one. Yes, here. So, here we got, there's a two-piece rotor. So, this is like the part of it. This one right here is the hardware for the brakes. This one right here is the stainless steel brake lines that I'm going to be upgrading for the front. And then the rest of the hardware here. Now, let's get to the big boy. So, we got both rotors here. Like I said, they're two-piece rotors, so we got the other one that came in the box. And then here, my friends, is the important part. So let me go ahead and see if I can open this with one hand. I surely can. These, I think this is the bracket. This is the bracket for everything. And then we got this, a lovely beauty right here, the 4-pot caliper. I'm actually going to take out the caliper really quick to see what it looks like. Look at that. Looks beautiful. I'm not a big fan of the black, to be honest with you. I think I might paint it a different color, but no complaints here, man. It looks sweet. Now, I know what you guys might be asking. There's bleeders on the wrong side of the caliper, but actually, it's designed this way on purpose, which is nice. The caliper comes complete with actual brake pads, so which is nice. And these you can find online on Willwood's website. I'll leave the thing up above, the information of these brake pads and how you can get them. So this is by far the most quality thing I've probably ever held in my life. It's nice to actually like get an upgraded brake system in the car. For those of you who have stuck around on the channel for a while will know that I have a really big problem with brake fading. So this will solve a majority of my issues and also get rid of a lot of the additional rotational mass. So this two-piece rotor setup is actually very light. It's lighter than the stock setup. So it'll get rid of a lot of rotational mass in my drivetrain, which will ultimately free up some power in the car, which is nice. So I'm gonna kind of unbox everything and set it down on the floor and take a nice picture of it, flex it on the gram, and also do my outro. So let's get to it. And here, my friends, we have it all laid out for you. Man, these things look sweet. Can't wait to get them on the car. I won't be able to get them on anytime the next day or next week or probably even next month. I'm only going to get these on once Clementine's back and running out on the road, and then I get my RPF ones back on. Now, I know that there might be some concern in regards to the calipers themselves not being able to clear my wheels, but I was talking to Andy and he said I should be okay. He's actually running the same setup I am on the RPF ones, and he's got the same kit, and he said that he doesn't have any issues, so should be cool. Hopefully you guys enjoy this unboxing. I'm excited Got some great things coming for the channel. So, stay tuned. This has been your boy Got Him a Liga, and I'm out. Peace.